Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian markets were higher Friday, with Japan's Nikkei rising about 15,000 points for the first time since May on the back of a weaker yen, while shares in Shanghai rallied on hopes that China will release reform plans for state-run companies. The Nikkei jumped 1.75% to 15,136.5, extending its gains since last Friday to 7.6%, its best weekly performance so far this year. Friday's gains are a fitting way to mark the first anniversary of Japan's dramatic stock rally. The market shot higher on November 15th last year after then opposition leader Shinzo Abe called for aggressive monetary easing to help the lackluster economy, starting a rally that has pushed Japanese stocks up 75%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rose 1.5%, with Chinese companies leading the gains. A weaker yen continued to support Japanese stocks as the dollar breached the 100 yen mark overnight for the first time in 2 months and moved higher in Asia. The greenback was trading at 100.16 yen compared with 100.01 late Thursday in New York. The Japanese currency weakened against the greenback after Fed Vice Chairwoman Janet Yellen said that there are dangers to ending the central bank's $85 billion a month bond buying program too early. The market interpreted her remarks made in a hearing on her nomination as a sign that she would not make significant changes to monetary policy when she took over the central bank. Today's data calendar is light, with US industrial production data being the most important item. The Eurozone Consumer Price Index should just confirm the earlier terrible flash release, while on the political front, the banking union and budget news from Europe are all that matters. US October industrial production 14:15 GMT. Earlier this month, the October ISM Manufacturing Index indicated robust output growth, beating expectations and elevating fears that the US government shutdown could have dented the economy. ISM's data suggested that new orders were very positive, but manufacturing was somewhat slower. After increasing by 0.6% in September, industrial production is expected to show a more modest growth of 0.2% in October. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.